Okay, so before I put that on, why don't we do a little airbrushing? I've got just a standard airbrush here, and I'm going to plug it in first because that's the key to successful airbrushing is plugging it in. So if you can plug it in, then you can airbrush. Brother. All right, so obviously I had some black in there. So let me grab, I'll start with some yellow, maybe do a little brown, maybe a little green. So spray it until the black comes out, and then I'll just see how the yellow will kind of add a little bit here and there. Can even go back over the ladder if I want and I'll shine that up a bit in here. All right, then I'll come back with a little brown and just kind of spray. Some of the areas I can see the cake a little bit, so that would be an ideal spot to put some brown, like little rocks or something in there. Okay, perfect. Now while I have the brown in here, what I'm going to do is use some of this rice noodle, because I just happen to have it here for another cake. And I'm just going to cut some of it up. Or look, I don't even have to cut this part up. I'm going to take it here and I'm going to airbrush it brown. And I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to pop it around for the scenery. That's right. I'm doing it. So just pull some of them apart, kind of let them spread out, open a little bit, and airbrush them. I like to hold on to them when I airbrush them because they're so light that they'll kind of fly around.